Welcome to our today's exploration of AI video generator websites, where I will compare the top 3 platforms for your video creation needs. So let's get started. First website we've got is invideo.io. To start using InVideo, you need first to sign up. After signing up, you will be redirected to this interface where you will be able to insert a description of what you are searching for. So here I will just insert that I want a summary for Game of Thrones TV show, and I will copy this for future usage. Now I will go and generate a video, and I will wait for a couple of seconds. And now after it's done for our creating our video, it has generated a title here, and it also gives you some options to choose from. So you can choose your audience. Here I will choose TV show fans. Look and feel, I will keep it dramatic, and platform, I will keep it YouTube. Then I can press on continue to finalize my own video. And now it's done creating our video, which lasts for about 47 seconds. And there is an amazing feature in InVideo, which is that you can give it a command after finishing your own video. So for example, I can tell InVideo to just delete the second scene. So I can do this, and I can press on generate. Then it will take some time to apply my own action. And now as you can see, it has completely deleted this scene. So this is our first site. Going to the next site, which is Luminify. In order to use it, you need first to sign up. After signing up, you will have many options whether to create videos consistently or for a specific project or just a single video. So I will go with a single video, and I will ignore choosing a template by going to skip. Then you have 4 options whether you want to just make a video using text or media, so it's basically a voiceover for a script that you provide, or you can use AI voiceover, which actually allows you to rephrase your own content with AI. Then you can use voiceover by actually giving your own voice to be applied to the videos. And finally, you can use talking ahead to use both your avatar and your own voice. So here I will go with AI voiceover, and I will go to a blog that I like about Game of Thrones. I will copy its URL. Then I will go back to Lumin5 and paste my URL here. Then I will ask to import. And now it shows you a preview of this script, so you can look at the whole script here. And after looking at it, you can just skip and use the content as a whole, or you can just use AI to rephrase your own content. So here I will use AI. And summarizing is done. So here you can see the final result. It's still composing. Now it's done. So after it's done, you can go and press on continue. Then you can use convert to video. So here I will just press on it and wait for it to finish. And finally it's done. You can look at different scenes, and you can also preview any scene you want. And once you are satisfied, you can go and publish it. Now the third and final website is Lucas. All what we need to do is to just sign up first, and after signing up you will be asked to give a description. So I will copy and paste. I will go and write a summary for Game of Thrones TV show, and I can also decide the duration that I want. So I will just choose from 40 seconds to 1 minute. Then I will press on continue. After it's done, you will be asked to give a call for action. So I added my website, and now I will click on create video. This call for action will be added to the end of your own video, so that audience will be encouraged to visit your own website. And now your video is done with 4 different variations. And now you can create and customize your video easily without having to waste hours of your time. So if you are interested in more AI content, make sure to smash the subscribe button and stay tuned for more AI hacks. Thanks for watching.